Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send received KrispCall SMS on Microsoft Teams. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with KrispCall, then automatically I want to send that SMS on my Microsoft Teams channel. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be KrispCall and my action application will be Microsoft Teams. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send received KrispCall SMS on Microsoft Teams. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with KrispCall, then automatically I want to send that message on my Microsoft Teams channel. So in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send received KrispCall SMS on Microsoft Teams. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. Now I want to save this workflow in the folder named as KrispCall to Microsoft Teams Automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send received KrispCall SMS on Microsoft Teams. So now in order to automate this entire process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for KrispCall as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new SMS or MMS. So this trigger will start working whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS. So now moving to the action window, as I want to send the SMS on Microsoft Teams. So over here I'm going to search for Microsoft Teams as my action application. And the action event will be to send message in a channel. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now to move ahead in this automation, firstly I'm going to build a connection between my KrispCall account and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the secret key. So for this, I'm going to take you to my KrispCall account. This here is my KrispCall account dashboard. I will go to settings, and in settings, I will go to developer. So here is the API key and the secret key. So I'm just going to copy both of these keys and I'm going to paste it over here and click on save. So I've mentioned the keys and now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that KrispCall and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So our trigger application will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as the connection has been made, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here it says waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that I can show you the captured response over here in Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I'm going to show you the SMS that I'm going to send on my registered number with KrispCall. So this here is the SMS I have framed. It goes as, hello, I'm current user. I've visited your website and I'm eager to enroll for PHP course. I would like to know more about the course and I would appreciate if you can send a brochure to me on this given email ID, that is currentuser@pabblytudes.com. Hoping to hear from you soon. So now I'm going to send this SMS. So here in my KrispCall account, you can see that I have received the new SMS and here is the SMS. So that means this SMS details would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, we have received a response. So over here you can see the to number, here's the ID, here is the from number, and this here is the message content. So that means over here inside Pabbly Connect, I've successfully got the SMS details which I've just received on my registered number with KrispCall. So as I've got the SMS over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send the same SMS. That means the query that I've received on my Microsoft Teams channel. So in order to do that, firstly, I'm going to build a connection between Microsoft Teams and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now, in order to add a new connection, I will simply click on Connect with Microsoft Teams. I've already opened my Microsoft Teams account in one of the tabs. Make sure you also do the same. So here I'm going to click on Accept as this is a secure access. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Microsoft Teams and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the team and the channel. So here the team is Course Queries team and the channel is general. So I want to send the SMS details in this channel. So over here I've already selected the team and the channel. Now I'm going to frame the message. So this here is the message I've framed. It goes as, "Hello team, we have received a new query. Resolve it as soon as possible." So here is the inquirer's number. So to mention the inquirer's number, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from KrispCall, so over here in this field, I'm going to map it. So now after mapping this, I also want to map the query. So again from the response received, I'm going to map the query. So here is the query, I've mapped it. So as I've mapped the details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as the details are mapped, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received the response and this here is a positive response. That means a channel message has been sent in my Microsoft Teams account. So I'm going to take it to my Microsoft Teams account. So here in the channel, you can see that here is the message. So that means we have successfully sent a message on my Microsoft Teams account when a KrispCall SMS has been received. So this automation was a successful one. Now, whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with KrispCall, then automatically a message will be sent in my Microsoft Teams channel. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.